Have you ever wondered why you can remember a song from 10 years ago, word for word, but you can't remember the chapter you studied just last night? How is it possible that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is still stuck in your brain, but formulas, definitions, and dates from school vanished like smoke? Is the brain biased? Actually, yes. And today, we're diving into the fascinating science of why music sticks in memory like glue, while study material evaporates like vapor. Get ready. Once you learn this, you'll never think about learning the same way again. Music, the brain's VIP guest. When you hear a song, something magical happens inside your brain. The sound enters your ears and goes to the auditory cortex, but that's only the beginning. The melody lights up the memory center, the hippocampus. The rhythm activates motor areas. The lyrics engage language regions, and the emotional tone triggers the amygdala, your emotion processor. In simple words, a song wakes up a whole orchestra inside your brain. This means the brain doesn't store a song as just one memory. It stores it as a network of memories. Rhythm plus words plus beat plus emotion. So even years later, if one of those triggers returns, the whole song comes back instantly. Patterns, beats, and chunking, the secret cheat code. Music has structure: intro, verse, chorus, beat, repetition. This structure acts like automatic chunking, one of the brain's most powerful memory tricks. Try memorizing 26 random letters. Impossible. But sing them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and every child remembers them. Songs organize information. Study material rarely does. Emotion makes memory sticky. Now the milestone: emotion. When you listen to a song you love, your brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. The same chemical released by chocolate, winning games, falling in love. Dopamine doesn't just make music feel good, it locks memories into long-term storage. That's why heartbreak songs remind us of past relationships. Old school songs take us back to childhood. Wedding songs trigger nostalgia instantly. Emotion cements memory. Textbooks usually do not. Why childhood songs stay forever? Think about it. You didn't hear childhood songs once. You repeated them at home, school, TV, playground. Each repetition equals stronger memory. But most study topics? Study once, exam, forget forever. Not because we're weak in studies, but because the material lacks melody, rhythm, and emotional reward. Experiments make it even clearer. In one study, two groups of children memorized word lists. Group A, spoken words. Group B, the same words sung to a melody. Group B remembered 20% more, even after days. Children who take music lessons also show stronger verbal memory overall. Music doesn't just entertain the brain, it upgrades it. Neuroscience's most surprising discovery. Some amnesia patients, who forget names, faces, and life events, can still remember songs, and even play musical instruments. This means musical memory has its own special system in the brain, a system designed to survive. That's how powerful music truly is. So the next time a song gets stuck in your head, don't be annoyed. Your brain is simply doing what it has evolved to do: respond to rhythm, connect emotion to memory, reward itself with dopamine, preserve meaningful patterns. And the next time you struggle with study material, remember, it's not your fault. The subject isn't boring, the method is. Maybe the real secret to learning is hidden in music itself. Rhyme it, sing it, feel it, and your brain will remember it. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, share it with someone who needs smarter studying, and subscribe for more deep dive explainers like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep the music on.